Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like auto captions to your videos in TikTok. So on the right side here, you're just going to select the edit button, and once you're done with that, you are going to select the text. Then you're going to select captions. Make sure there's like an audio of you talking in the video, or else it won't show up. Select captions and select the language up here. So this is like the language I'm currently talking in is in English, and it's going to basically upload the caption for you, like the one up here. You can also edit the caption as well here, just in case they missed something, like they didn't I guess hear what you're saying correctly, so you can edit that. You can also change the color of the auto caption as well, and you can change the font as well up here, and just press save once you're done. Basically, they do have these automatic captions for you, but it's just better if you have this ready. Select next and just upload like normal, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.